How to treat a wooden deck. In this video, we will tell you how to treat a wooden deck, and we will point out the details you need to observe when you treat your wooden deck. Outdoor wood should always be cleaned in order to remove common dirt and dust before applying treatment. Start by cleaning the deck with a brush or a high-pressure cleaner. After cleaning, the wood grain will rise, and therefore you need to sand with sandpaper grit 100 to 120. If you can see mold, this must be removed with Bondex deck cleaner. As mold is not always visible to the naked eye and may also be present in new wood, it may be a good idea to rinse with Bondex deck cleaner even though there are no visible signs of mold. Normally, a wooden deck should not be treated with a preservative before treatment. Rinse with clean water. The decking oil is available in a number of standard wood colors. Before application, it is important to stir well. The decking oil is applied in the direction of the wood grain. When you have applied the oil, it is important to remove any excess oil with a lint-free cloth after approximately 10 minutes. This should be done after each coat. Please note that cloths may self-combust and should be disposed of carefully. The oil is applied 1 to 2 times, depending on how dark an end result you want. When the terrace is completely dry, it is ready for use.